Welcome to our CPU Showdown. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between the AMD Ryzen 75700X and the Ryzen 57600X. Both processors are priced at $299, but they cater to different user needs. The Ryzen 75700X boasts a high core count with 8 cores and 16 threads, making it ideal for multitasking and productivity. On the other hand, the Ryzen 57600X, with its 6 cores and 12 threads, leverages the latest Zen 4 architecture for superior single-core performance, perfect for gaming. Let's explore their features and see which one comes out on top. The AMD Ryzen 75700X is built on the Zen 3 architecture, which offers excellent multi-threaded performance thanks to its 8 cores and 16 threads. This makes it a powerhouse for productivity tasks and gaming. In contrast, the Ryzen 57600X utilizes the newer Zen 4 architecture, which not only enhances single-core performance with a max boost clock of 5.3 GHz, but also introduces support for the latest technologies like PCIe 5.0. While the 5700X excels in multi-threaded tasks, the 7600X takes the lead in single-core speed, making it a better choice for gaming. When it comes to core count, the Ryzen 75700X leads with 8 cores and 16 threads, making it ideal for heavy multitasking and productivity applications. Whether you're video editing, streaming, or running virtual machines, the additional cores provide a significant advantage. On the other hand, the Ryzen 57600X, with its 6 cores and 12 threads, may not match the 5700X in multi-threaded workloads, but it offers excellent performance in gaming scenarios where single-core speed is crucial. For users focused on gaming, the 7600X's architecture allows it to keep up with the latest titles effectively. Power efficiency is another critical factor to consider. The Ryzen 75700X operates at a low 65 WTDP, making it an excellent choice for users concerned about heat and power consumption. This efficiency allows for quieter cooling solutions and lower electricity bills. In contrast, the Ryzen 57600X has a higher TDP of 105W, which means it requires more robust cooling solutions and may run hotter under load. While the performance gains of the 7600X are impressive, potential buyers should be aware of the additional cooling requirements and power consumption. In conclusion, both the AMD Ryzen 75700X and Ryzen 57600X have their strengths and weaknesses. The 5700X is a fantastic choice for users who need high multi-threaded performance and efficiency, while the 7600X shines in gaming and future-proofing with its advanced architecture. Ultimately, your choice should depend on your specific needs, whether you prioritize core count for productivity or single-core speed for gaming. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.